Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faizatul Maziah. You can call me Iza. This video is about introduction to linguistics. There are 10 topics will I explain today. The first topic is linguistic definition. Linguistics is the language or the science that makes language its object. Learning linguistics is vital for language is the principal means of communication in every human. The second topic is about linguistic classification. Linguistics is divided into branches that is microlinguistic and macrolinguistic. Microlinguistic is the study of language material on its qualities, structure, manner of work, and so forth. Macrolinguistic is a field of linguistics that learn language in relation to outside language factors such as scientific, social, teaching, medicine, and philosophy. Next, the development of English. There are 5 periods of English development. The first, beginning English period. Second, the Old English period. The third, the Middle English period. The fourth, the Modern English period. The fifth is the Present English period. Structure of English. The structure of modern English is an extensive introduction to all aspects of modern English structure, including phonology, morphology, lexical and sentence semantic, syntax, and pragmatic. Systemic functional linguistics. There are 4 functional linguistics. The first language use is functional. Its function is to make meanings. These meanings are included by the social and cultural context in which they were exchanged. The last is the process of using language is a semantic process, a process of making meaning by choosing. Next, psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is a multidisciplinary science of merging psychology and linguistics. Psycholinguistics study of psychological and neurobiological factors that enable humans to acquire, use, and understand language. And the next is about morphology. Morphology is the study of words and their part. Morphemes like prefix, suffix, and base words are defined as the smallest meaningful unit of meaning. Morphology teaches us the ground rule for making words and forming new words out of old words. Semantic is the study of how language organize and express meaning. It means that meaning in linguistic semantics was need for us to limit ourselves to the expression of meaning in a single language. The purpose of semantics is to propose meaning of word and phrase and remove confusion which might lead the reader to believe a word has many possible meanings. Next, syntax. Syntax means a set of grammar rules on word or clause in from sentence, usually in written sentence as well as conversation. We see element of syntax on word or clause that we normally refer to as subject, verb, and object. Syntax function were to provide notation form as communication tools between the programmer and the programming language to facilitate the construction of program. The last topic is about sociolinguistic. Sociolinguistic is a linguistic subdiscipline that learns the language in its user relationship in society. Sociolinguistic is not generally divided into subgroups, but there are several kinds of variations. The sociolinguistic study including variation by social class, variation by region, variation by gender, variation by racial group, and the last variation by relationships. Maybe that's all my presentation. If you find any mistake, please pardon me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.